Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple process, how to unpin a group on WhatsApp. Whether you've pinned a few too many chats or just want to tidy up your chat list, this guide will help you clear things up in less than a minute. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You'll land right on your chat screen where all your conversations, both personal and group chats, are displayed. Look at the very top. You'll notice that your pinned chats always stay up there even if new messages come in from other people. Those little pins keep them fixed to the top, making them easier to find. But when you no longer need one pinned, it's time to unpin it. Now, scroll through your chat list and find the group you want to unpin. It's usually right at the top if it's been pinned before. Once you find it, press and hold on that group chat. This long press will bring up a few icons at the top of your screen. These icons let you do different actions, like delete, mute, archive, or in this case, pin or unpin chats. Next, take a look at the pin icon. If the chat is currently pinned, the icon will look highlighted or active. Simply tap that pin icon once, and just like that, the group will be unpinned. You'll see it drop down from the top of your chat list and move back to its regular place with the rest of your messages. That's it, quick and easy. Now, your chat list is a little cleaner and only the groups or conversations you really need will stay pinned at the top. You can always pin it again later by repeating the same steps if you change your mind. If this guide helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.